There you go. This is our most recent little squirt. It's January 19th today. Yeah. Trying to get a clear shot of this one for a little while now. But she keeps running around. But she's an absolute sweetheart. Probably the most gentle bird we've ever had. Yeah. Talkative too. She likes having her little head run. And you can see she's still got some pin feathers here. Yeah. And a nice bright little tail. See how poofy she is? I mean, she's comfortable. Oh yeah, but I'll get your nose. Yeah, I'll get your nose. Come here, you. Come here. Yeah? What a cutie. Very trusting. She is absolutely gentle as anything. She doesn't even grab your fingers really hard like most babies will. Well, she will try and eat my wedding ring. What are you up to, huh? What are you up to? Hey, little one, look over here. Oh, you're getting poofy. You're getting poofy. Yeah. And that's my wife. Birdie's flying around male and female.
Hi.
She's even flying around the dogs and the cat.
Cat loves bird.
All the dogs do, they come over and they try and lick her face after we feed her.
Try to. They always lick her face. She doesn't care.
She doesn't care. She is the most trusting, sweetest little birdie we've ever had.
Never bites. She just
No,
does
never
that.
bites. She'll just get a little taste. She's not weaned yet. She's flapping her wings, but there's no way she's going to fly for a little while yet. But she does like her little neck scratched and the top of her head. See, she's almost laying down for it. She is a real sweetheart. I can't stress that enough. And friendly, doesn't get startled by gosh darn near anything. We've thrown boxes and she doesn't care. All she wants to do is cuddle, get into trouble, find out what everything is.
Look at her tail.
Yeah? What do you think, kid?
Got a tail.
Yeah. Bright red long tail. That's longer than I've seen on a baby in a very long time. Oh, wing stretch. Very animated. Very, very animated.
And poofy.
And poofy. And poofy. Yeah. I mean, as long as there's a human around the room, she never stops making her little birdie talk. Do you? Yeah.
Giant feathers.
I know. You're a real sweetie. Oh, what was that? See? Whoop. Wings are almost fully in. But she lets me do whatever I want. She doesn't care. Because she is such a sweetheart. She's all alone. But that probably just made her a little spoiled.
That's good.
And probably nice and happy. You should see when she sleeps. She goes into a giant poof ball and talks in her sleep. Hmm?
What's this?
What's that? I know. Scratch your nose? Huh? Scratch your nose? Oh, no scratch. Yeah. Oh, and a head scratch. Yeah. That's what you want. So those pin feathers, it really itch. Yeah. Yeah. Very, very cuddly birdie.